Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix or revert to Windows 11 23H2 because of after the updates, the Windows 11 version 24H2, you got so many bugs. One of the famous bugs is internet connectivity. You cannot use your internet after the updates. So many people have reported problem with 24H2. It's probably best to stay on 23H2, which you have done. As you can see, my Windows 11 Pro version is 23H2. Still, this is the most stable Windows 11 I ever had. And maybe wait until maybe next patch Tuesday around January 13 next year, the second Tuesday of that month, and see how Windows updates go from there. So maybe you can consider to revert back to the Windows 23H2. So you can revert by going to the settings, system recovery, or you can just type recovery. So you can recover your Windows 11. Make sure you create your recovery drive. If you haven't created, you can't go back. So if you have if you had already created your recovery, please just go with the system restore. And of course, if your computer will not turn on as a result of this update, turn on your PC on, turn it off before you see spinning seats, turn it on again, repeat this process 2 until 3 times. You should see a screen that says Windows couldn't start properly, and then push the advanced button or advanced options, troubleshoot, more option, uninstall updates, and uninstall latest feature update. So here, more or less, uninstall and update from Windows recovery or RE recovery environment. So here you can click this, how to access Windows recovery environment. You can restart your PC and press hold shift key to restart. And here you can, once in Windows recovery environment, you can select troubleshoot, advanced option, uninstall updates. Select either uninstall latest quality update or uninstall latest quality update. So feel free to try to revert back to a 23H2 version of your Windows operating system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.